BML008 direct drive multi-needle chain stitch circular cylinder sewing machine. This model is mainly used for sewing with wide needle gauge and unequal knit pitch in garment and knitting industry. After the auxiliary device is installed, the functions of pleating, stitch smoking, elastic thread, etc. Direct drive control is adopted for efficient sewing. The presser foot lifting adopts air cylinder to ensure that the presser foot lifting height of sewing is consistent, saving time and labor. Pneumatic presser foot lifting device with great strength and rapid lifting. Automatic needle stop position saves labor and improves efficiency. The air cylinder controls thread releasing to ensure that the length of thread end is consistent after each sewing and does not occupy the sewing platform. Pneumatic automatic thread cutting with 10 knives. 2 air cylinders operate independently, and each thread is cut by a separate blade. After trimming, the length of each thread end is the same, and no thread end is left for secondary trimming. Blowing function. After trimming, blow air and the thread end is on the presser foot. With the upper and the lower thread release, the thread head is very short when starting sewing, and there is no need for secondary trimming. Real 4 automatics. Thread blowing, presser foot lifting, thread releasing, and trimming operate independently, and the action is completed automatically. Special protective device is installed with special protector to separate the moving parts. Safety devices such as eye protection and hand protection are installed to protect the safety of the operator during sewing. High-strength nano-coating needle bar is adopted, which is more durable. The cutter is made of special materials and technology, which is firm and wear-resistant. Double air cylinders are used for independent operation, which is smooth without clamping points. The stitch is flat, uniform, and beautiful.